Alright, we're going to get Ferdinand and Mouse here. They're going to bring Pug's scrapping train all the way down to Janice at the workbench so that Pug can hook on and see if he can pull them. Now, Pug's still in DC, so he cannot cross what we're going to call Bridge 6 over there. He can't cross Bridge 6 because we have it set to DC so he can test this. So let's bring these guys out. We got Ferdinand and Mouse here. Let's send them out. Let's see if we can get them on the right track first. Okay. Let's get them on to track 2. Alright, now let's bring them around. They got to get to the front end of the spaghetti bowl. So they're going to go around one end, like the 18-inch. It's a little bigger than that, but... Alright, let's see if they... Oh, wait, okay. Set the switches. Set them. Okay. All right, now let's get them. Let's get them to pick up the scrapping train. There we go. All right, hook on. Ferdinand and Mouse don't really have any problem pulling anything, do they? Okay, we're going to stop them. Let's back them up. And we're going to get them to push this train. Alright, I think about right there. And let's go ahead and uncouple. We will send them on the runaround. Okay, they're going to head around down to the backside. Then they're going to push. This is a heavy train to push. And it's off balance. Uh-oh, I hope we make it. This train is like ridiculously heavy. Even Ferdinand and Mouse are having they're having to put in some work to push this guy. We're gonna get him pushed over here. We gotta make our sign for bridge number 6 right there. Alright, they're coming in. That ought to do it right there. Alright, now we'll get Pug on his track and see if he can pull this. Let's see if Pug can do this. Alright, let's bring him down to track 1. Okay, now let's go hook on. See if he's got it in him. Pretty soon I'm going to put letters up on that signal bridge there. That says Janus. Alright, is he going to hook up? Did he get it? He did get it. Oh, man. Oh, no, we cannot pull it yet. Not for not trying. We're going to have to weight him down a little more. Okay, look in the mirror over here. There he is. He's trying to pull. Not heavy enough. Alright, so we got a little work to do on him. And we're going to leave the scrapping train over there. We're going to see if we can weight him down some more. And then we're gonna give him he's got to be able to pull his own train. So we got to get him up to that level.